Abushama mu akwa babio erenso ya da fofra na ye chuada na wo hwe me live on Malope TV. Abushama ye wo Facebook edino ye Elisha K Malope on Facebook. And na TikTok Malope TV, YouTube Malope TV. But more than so be follow ye YouTube. Sorry be subscribe ye YouTube, TikTok and na Facebook also. Abushama Ghana sonwe dwumadi ana madusu e bana Ghana sansam de a manager mo pa kire se me Ghana ni tie na hwe a me hye me Ghana atade kama ma yakoye nim etanse prokonam ye no hye ndo obi make comment say Malope advert no is too much oba ye hia opa kasa me enko mate nti me sabre ma me fanchia ma wo a wo kasa na obi a wo hwe me sabre ba bi a hwe me firi bia no bi chia watching sorry and Monday and Eya homo teshi homo no semi kasai ekoso den papa anya asempte to arabia mami fanchia ema eya the president the whole president of Accra or nungwa president eya ni odai few say didn't mamboni yam fanche because me akani me here in krani ntia na ha mamboni yam fanche Mr. President eya ni odai few on a the whole crime president or nungwa president here. Okay. Michelle papa baby or ana afe teshi teshin crime teshin or hino no ni asite mekani asite me also for be a friend ni asite ni asite akonfra ono so Michelle papa ni asite akonfra ni asite akonfra nyame adoma ye de ho details nyina ebebremo videos ebekotwe bekɔbrema nyina ebebremo anwumere 8 o'clock enti ni asite akonfra so mi chi ono na teshin oye wo hene wo teshin na fei overall boss gamanche king taki taiko chulo the whole Accra and krahene king Taki Teko Chulo Michia papa thank you Michia thank you Michia papa na me de aseda kese so mama ase wo kumase sister ma mase am sa friend sister ma Michia na papa abusia mam yakoya de boy ma me muru nsabro so na yenti komo Diati kai Nigeria ni abrantia your friend Paramount. It's Paramount too. Your Paramount. Ediana Paramount. Why? Paramount and the Yakobi Kwame Nkrumah baby yesi osaje fo Kwame Nkrumah. Nigeria ni akohon wakwa ye video na ye beti ho enkomo papa. Dia toso mi no. Nkremoni a wo bedi nkomo se he. One year Ghana ha obi kasete Muhammad. The founder of Muslim religion hey obi abekaseti ane yenyi ne mfiro yentanity na yebedi on komo waba bonten obroni bese apologization waba be pacho se dia waye no entwaye kura enti wosre asanfoforo ka we hu ene day a wo hwemi homo wo day me de ebro na ma men kan tro se wo paduane papa di eye homo wo bre ya fo ani kire teshi post station ho na darling search 126 restaurant and pub ona obiade na ani kire homo we akwakọ didi kama ma bibia akọ kan se bia opebia benya bia anom aduane a opebia benya bia di nti obia fo na ani kire ho eye teshi police station ho na akọ didi na bibia nso enko gabuja Ebra me call commercial break abanom. Daddy my love 18th birthday. Happy birthday to Daddy my love. One so e woteshi. Me chia de papa Daddy my love. Ni di no Daddy my love. Look at Daddy my love. Na ni put phone in da wo kama no. Look at Daddy my love. Obia elim na. Uja me sabra odi birthday ti. Happy birthday to Daddy my love. Me twa me ho se maje nkrato. Afa ya ba. Yemurem.
Yeah, never fat. Yeah. Hey, rhyme on it. Another one time.
Fresh on the mix.
Malope, why you be? Yasin let you ultimate stretch rate. So for Montier, your wado ye. Malope, Belema could for Benny. If you could see any who I gave him, the Rubona Trafaman on in your bibri. Malope TV, where dear Yamidi. It is so maybe some say TV Ben American, American. Malope TV. Malope TV. Malope TV. Malope TV. Malope TV. Malope TV. Malope TV.
Anytime I wake up in the morning, I tune into Malope. They got great things for me, so I don't care what them say. Anytime I wake up in the morning, I tune into Malope. Omu News is so powerful, so I don't care what them say. Cause their style is so different, need no dividends. Sound me clear, you can hear from a distance. Assembly CR will report on an instant. Team antenna, I don't do that. Malope, your programs is driving me crazy. Tell me share why I'm in for me, baby. Hey. Malope, your programs is driving me crazy. Tell me share why I'm in for me, baby. Hey. Yeah, I said we've got you covered for your advert. Yeah, Juma, from sunrise to the sunset. TV station, a fufu running now, yeah, concert. A banner picture quality, I'm Malope, we come first.
Malope TV. 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 Malope TV.
Malope, your program is driving me crazy. Let me share why I'm in TV, baby. Hey.
Abusia, welcome back, sir. Me trap me waba the ene yen koswe. Ma memfa seda eni ncheka se mama konta wa America. Jones, wana here. Hey, Daddy Jones. Ma konta in America. Michia papa ma konta mini muno. Akonta madafo. Abusia, Paramount aba abrantia na waye Nigeria ni. Akọ Kwame Nkrumah baby a yesi osagefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Okoye videos bi ewo ma yenhwe na fe yemedi nkomo.
Dr. Sagefo Kwame Nkrumah, daddy abeg. Daddy get up. The Nigeria when you help us fight independence for Tinubu won't kill us. Oh. South Africa when you help get independence to South Africa say we should go back. Daddy get up. Daddy abeg. Help us go comot Tinubu. Abeg, Daddy. Then bless. He said let John Dramani Mama give her long life because that man they help Ghana. That man they help Africa. Daddy abeg. Daddy minimum pamucho. Daddy please. Help us come out in Tinubu, Daddy, help us come out in Tinubu. Don't be the Nigeria when you fight for to get independence. Now we get now. Daddy, I beg. Daddy, me pacho. Bless Honorable Samuel Bleku, Foreign Affairs Minister. That man they do things. Bless everybody when they work for this country. I beg, Daddy, many pamucho. Oh my yo, sending me yo. Jimmy kwa. Anama send me kwa. Meriama ama sasini. Then Daddy abeg go South Africa, punish them because you have to get independence now they pursue us. God, Tinubu, Daddy Tinubu.
Abusia abrantia ya usha ni video yi. I don't know what is wrong with Ghanaian leaders, most of them. Some of the Ghanaian leaders. Sure. Eni patirim unim ni patirim sanka unim ni patirim a anka wonyam from so da onipa komam ene na adwenum yenim de wom onyankopon twede ampompe ene betumi dictate onipa adwene ene na komam adamfo awone ne nam no unim so bema problem relationship bibia ukom no nanka wonim say de sa enimguase ni disaster ibebrewa anka wankum me huya anka da ka kire abrante we Nigeria ni atumi anya kwanya ko Kwame Nkrumah, the founder of Ghana, the savior of Ghana, baby yesie no ada yetumi biama no ena ultra video Nigeria ni. Obi beka say, oh, Malope na san kanya bone. Sa wokoko ye video enya bone. Eno ntina medi kan ka say brother. So called Nigerians no, I am afraid of them. Apparently we wouldn't name it. I don't want to go there. So paramount, I am telling Ghanaian leaders that they should be very careful with this guy. This Nigerian guy. How could he? And to me, Malope, let me ask. Say Nigerian president awadi oji independent edima Nigeria. I'm a blogger. Me to me Africana ako Nigeria. Ako kache Nigeria for say me pese me baby amusie Obasanjo se wan mumie mame na me nkoye video on Nigeria for better here. Hey, challenge when it comes to security name. Sabi Ghana for me adena sabi tafrache. Enti ye hu ho a. Sabio na ye jimisa. They say question baby say me Malope say me to me ko Nigeria na baby omusie Obasanjo said you are independent man Nigeria no ma catch say baby omusie no mbie ma me na me content creator and I'm a blogger and I'm a journalist me person me be video and someone okay as oh yes man frefre kwame challenge you Ghanaians are joking with Nigerians so you Ghanaians are joking with Nigerians. You people are joking. Some of the paramount, I shall say there, me di chuku di so. Ebe twaso. My junior about sembi a chuku di Jude, hine tu. Papa yo fi Igbo, Nigeria also wa acquire some acres of land in Ghana. No be build me kingdom no. Me pese ye tie sa semono. Na ye tie wia. Me wasembi debia me repeat sa semono. But menyinya allegedly information si bia menyinya no. Nipa ne kai no na I don't believe it and I don't trust it. Oye penny pa. But asem watwe ma adwen si mi bi so. Na wo de yentie chukudi enum asem wie na ne nipa no e ka kire ma about de chukudi ka ne de e koso underground no yemfa ntudwa. Ahai Malope TV unya ne bia e twa yo akotie chukudi asem na ba.
But I'm creating Igbo village, which has never happened in the history of the world among the Igbos in the world. As I'm talking to you, I've acquired 50 acres of land, that is 250 plus of land along the Flower Road, that is at Old Ningo area. But along that road, it's right on the road. I acquired 250 plus of land. My reason of acquiring this land is to build Igbo village in Ghana. I call it Amandi Igbo in Ghana. We'll build a village where we're gonna build the palace of Igbo there, a huge palace. We'll build Igbo town hall there with about 2,000 capacity chairs and 100 rooms guest house. The essence of this guest house is most of the times our governors and our Igbo great leaders do come to Ghana. You know, they always go with their entourage. If they come to Ghana, their entourage will see where they will lodge for free of charge, maybe for a day or two. Most of their visits, it doesn't take more than 48 hours or 24 hours. They stay there free of charge and they know that yes, this is what they have benefited from the Igbos living in Ghana. Again, our people that have accommodation problem and all that will come get there at least for 2 or 3 days before they can get a out of the country, or those that come into the country in one way or the other will have accommodation of 100 rooms guest house. We will also, in the palace of the Igbo, we also have apartment there for special guests like governors and ministers. And in future, I know that we the Igbos will provide president in Nigeria, and I know that the president that will rule Nigeria at time to come must be an Igbo man. And one day, by the special grace of God, he also going to be part of those that are going to lodge at the guest house there in Igbo village. In that Igbo village, my good brother, what I want to do there is we'll create streets there. We'll create streets that will represent the names of the ancient Igbos. We'll create the streets that will bear the name of Sambakwe Street. that's the ex-governor of Imo State. We'll create a street that will bear the name of Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe, the first president of Nigeria. We'll create a street that will bear the name of Nzogbo. We'll create a street that will bear, of course, the name of my father also, Zemaladi Henetu. And all the great Igbo leaders that they have gone, and those are present, will create streets in their name that will represent them in Igbo village in Ghana. And this Igbo village in Ghana, every Igbo man all over the world have right to come there and buy property. Either you want a plot of land or 2 plots of land to build your dream house. We're also going to build tall buildings of maybe 6th floor or 7th floor. We'll sell them flat by flat, and we will have a single entrance in this Igbo village. When you come in there, you know you're coming into Igbo village in Ghana. From there, the Igbos will expand. We will build markets there.
Abusia village and creating a village. Now what say okasa ye no oksaka sembi say dia ebi si wo wiase da ana de obi nya ebi wo wiase da wo bra Nigeria ehiamoa wo bra wo kon Lagos a bola agi Lagos nyina afa. This man, let's question ourselves. Yembisa ya won say ade na papa ne ka no obakofo betumi ayasade o chichiri kuro enti enye wono nkoya o enkrofo wo eye team because single person can never, even that go dekura enchi nkaso computer can never do such thing. Chukudi eka ye no omo yankuo and let me tell you, brother, wow, we are youth, Ghanaian youth, say, I'm sorry, na papa, we are free Ghana. We are joking. Yet there are some big diagro. I am creating in the history or Bebodi Adia being seen that in the history. And I get when I get in here, so Chikudi about you, and I did, brother. Adia Baya Kokobo, so onipa kaso be ya wade a wanya wona wo kire be obenya. Enti to de some of this papa we kan ye no. O se Ghana ye mfa nsem serious o. E na nkwasia cases e na ya ne ye ni di a kire dia wakotwa bode ye. Di ode ka di nkwasia cases. And some of papa we kan, if I were to be a leader, some ye MP, minister, president, vice president, I come to me 9 years say my papa we were free Ghana. I come free Ghana. Me say omo ye team allegedly. Obi ka chem say they are team. Enyo ba ko fo no make ko musika no mpeso me eye Igbo entire eye Igbos. Nigeria has been divided. Yoruba are different. Yoruba for Nigeria for tribes, they are tribe when tribe wenka, tribe when tribe wenka. It was when this man is talking, he's always mentioning. Also after that, oye Iboni na wupe asase ato abesi ufie na wababa bo bra na oyire na uma na oye Ghana ni to build this thing. And this man is inviting the Igbos to come. One more door switch in Ghana. What is going to happen? War and abesi. And we are not going to allow that thing to happen in our country. Say your leaders no and a sabet afrache say Nigeria for ayo mundura. We are going to wake up. We are going to wake up for our country. We are not going to say that. So if you are youth, we are youth. We are Ghanaian. Fanamba ne good screen as you know. Just call me. We are coming to gather ourselves. We are going to fight for our country. We are not going to allow any stranger, any foreigner to take over our country. So we are youth. Fanamba na beke kuono ho. Beka asumje WhatsApp group no. We are Christian so group ni yetu. Yawadi yadeka Ghana and some and yawadi yadebo mpaya ma Ghana. Yadebo mpaya ma Ghana ni yatuni din say people of heaven. Ana Ghana di yani yadeka Ghana and some Ghana sumje. Eti fanamba no. Oye Christo ni na the prayer na yabi support Ghana no. Opesa ojenia. Odi pick number no ni aba adel. Every Saturday bia, any Wednesday bia, empire bokoso. You can join. Mr. Ghana ye menu me no dia. We should wake up. Say ya trans ni ye di adwembu to say ye wo mpanifo bi o Ghana nti se biribi ba mpanifo na be so no a brother. Ebe te say dia yada na ye nangu abontene. Ebe ye te say dia yada na ye nan egu abontene. I think something can issue be a chuku the issue na meka na me dia be wi anwumre ne ebeko different issue. Now the same man chukudi ebie na no kan sem bi. I say, of course, I'm a Biafran. In the history, you say Nigerian talk could be a sorry, or could be a sorry was the people called Biafra. Woman and a man wakumba Nigeria. Woman ya basa yofo. And also support one or your Biafran to watch it. Nasa or caso ya Biafra ni nasa trimupoya or say obey the village or say the kingdom nasa Biafra for abba. What is going to happen next? Yet yes, I'm not kind. So of course, or support IBOB member or Biafra terrorist. Let's listen.
Yes, I'm an IPOB member. I support IPOB. I can never deny it. I support IPOB because I'm a Biafran. God bless you all. And please, anywhere you are, I want you to know that this allegation against me that I'm harboring a Bubago leader is 100% lie. Don't take it serious. It's 100% lie. My enemies, whatever you think you are doing against me, you never succeed. Because who God has blessed him. You are not my God. My God is the one that made me a king. You are not my God. And you cannot...
Excuse me to use a word. This is not a matter of chukudi. No. Me Malupe and I me Elisha. Se me ko fie bim. Ana me ko kro ekrabiase. Na me ko kase me ko tramzo. Sebe tafrache me ye kronfo. I me dem support krono. Me ye am robber. Me dem support robbing. Me ye killer. Me dem support killing. Enti mo be hem se me ntra kro no so. Biafra war. Biafra war. Biafra for the war. Ba Nigeria. Papa is a support or a member into a member. Now so we acquire such a land or build such a village or such a kingdom. Now Biafra for you friend. Oh, we need a land. Oh, Mumra me support because I'm a member. My acquire Ghana baby. Mumra ni no so. Krobia so. What is going to happen? The motive of this Nigerians said they want opportunity. Yeah, almost started to say, "Oh, it is a paramount." Telephone to paramount. Akoi, aya wakasama Ghana. Na modi motina ho. Moti me ko bie Kwame Nkrumah baby ayoko sie. Me papa, me nana was such a for doctor Kwame Nkrumah. Onyansani ba ko pada waka. Edia mark way Ghana ye cheap. Ye cheap. Entina bibi sa question say me to me free Ghana ha. Akwa Nigeria say baby o musie Nigeria man panie o twam Obasanjo say the oji independent man Nigeria. Munko bi na me content creator and I'm a blogger. Na me be oh na are they going to do that? So how? But they can't say me say onipa twene mu na koma mu yenimo. We should be very careful. Eti, Mr. Chuku Didier, we need his deportation. On to me can't say, Wawari Ghana ni, enti, Emrama no kwanza oste, no ya Ghana ni. No. Fatia way, where is Fatia? Kwame Nkrumah Koware, foreigner. Where is Fatia? Wawalia, Bema dia, Uware, how do you go fee? If a man marry, he takes his wife to his home. Bema ben okowarea. Okobani fi, obane ko bema fi. Sansa uno wakosra wadenti. Chukudi is from Nigeria. So wawari Ghana niya. On peja ni yire enfanko Nigeria. We don't need him in our country because and some of you na no can is serious, but I say your fun will maybe trada. Your fun will maybe trada. Say Ghanaians, ye nim dia ebobo ba Ghana. Me say Ghana be say ya enya Ghana ni o. And your foreigners in Nigeria for never because South Africa pinchen ne basaba say Nigeria ni ba ko po kasoko Igbo ni o kasoko ono so ko be don the kingdom na ko build the kingdom. Said ya Chuku di ka na de basaba so. And then a lot of countries are deporting Nigerians. These people are very dangerous. I am not going to sit down for a foreigner to destroy my country. Anyway, just pick the number. For number no, na bedwe ni group no. Ye nipa even 20 kurakeke. 20 we will fight, we will make a demonstration. Chukudi must go. We don't need him. Nigerians must go. Especially the Chukudi. I am Malope TV. Yen free way. Na yenko. Edi amponi yenko sui. Yen Lagos about so. Kuroni nyina ya bola. A whole Lagos. Kuroni nyina ya bola. Ada na bon konko siesi mukuro. Yen shemra. Abushamidin di Malope, Elisha Malope, Lagos na mi yichira usiesie Nigeria Lagos na ura Lagos Montreal bebia ya bola wa hwe bebia castle enam bebia hwe castle na nam hono kwa wono ton enuane Nigeria Lagos na wani tua ya busia uhwa maba betwa mede chira wi hwe Nigeria Lagos Nigeria na crofo weti aso wo mo bebode wo mo kingdom wo mo bebode wo mo whatever they want hwe Nigeria Montreal. What a sad look at Nigeria. A whole Nigeria, Lagos. Look at Kuroni nyina ya bola, and they are here in Ghana making stupid dictators. Look at Lagos. Just look at it. People, look at it, Ghanaians. Look at the Lagos. Look at the Nigerian Lagos. A whole Lagos. Look at Nigeria. Everywhere is bola. Everywhere is bola. Even the country is bola. So their character too is bola. Look at it. Their character is baller, the country too is baller. My name is Malope. Look at Nigeria. I want everybody to see. Bye. I'm saying Nigeria want to Lagos, and I will show you Lagos. Look at Lagos. Lagos. Nigerian Lagos. One more sorry, no more to social media, no more Jimmy. Nigerians are now jealous Africa Ghana. Ghana need to kwai amkrofo bebre wa brochire frame ya omuka. When you go to any country, then you say you are Ghanaian, they see Ghanaians as a special people. Every country respects Ghana because of our character, because of our behavior. Every country respects Ghana. Europeans, Americans, African, every country respect Ghana. So, Oko baby, when you travel from Ghana to another country and then they ask you, are you which country are you from? Say Ghana. Say Ghana. You are Ghanaian. Ghana. Then people start. They'll be watching you. Oh, they even wanted to touch you. Ghanaians are very special people. Ghanaians are very, very special people. Innocent of crime. Because crimes in Nigeria for you will be Mazria, might be free. We will say Malope. Yeah, you try Nigeria pay you. You entire Nigeria Malope. Now we are Ghana or say near Nigeria for the Ghana for from Nigeria na brother. Sanyanya misroni wada and Nigeria for crying any pay also say we Ghana. Allegedly, you see, or damn baby, you say, alleged. So for the Nigeria, but see, I can't come one of the Panama Atomiari. You see, a coso, alleged. You see, they may find I wanted to see it with my eye. See, Nigeria first starting when the Panama Ghana. And cross away. Minu ya my before, na venye to, but me fanama. Ma minsu minu ya my before and fan kasem. Se oni ai beni nya asemo a aya ni ase kopani chewo hwa mame ka se mi se oyigbeni do afuo na akani do afuo na wo so kwa kowie o mu a ukokowie o mu ba ko a aigbeni ne fo no nkomu da adentra efise wo susu sai igbeni de oni posi ni asemo o fana ko onta okoro hu nkro betwam na mom de so so no wa wonim dada Nana no bedi asem no. Akani de obe o. Ochiw say dia possession. Editina ema yesuro ai before. Yesusu say ai before Mr. Manya na bonus so. Wo mo de ba na bosom sem ni nuru sem a wo mo ani je ho papa enti bi cre video bi akwane bi sa akwala ne say. Wan kon kwa so le o se da bi adan akwala sem ya igbeni. I don't have a problem now, Mr. Zano. Between you and my I know. I want to comment a video, comedy video. Be a Aquadano, Aquadano, I say, one glass or say that be a day or me. I've been used. I have one was only. That's I say, automatically, Aquadana person says, before I'm only a solid need account. Now, I'm a Casoba and I do so for my yammy. Talk with Dangu or Aquaji or. Garagaji obeti asem no fast enoti ya clarify I before us when we are dangerous when it comes to tukpe ne abosun sema, so we don't joke with them. To be near Igbeni ya do very careful. Now so I wanted to tell you say enye Igbeni bia and it just but Jesus said that was their character majority no abosun sema sani hu no. The same thing to Nigeria. Womusunu womubani dia uye denya wa Nigeria ni. Nigeria for womusunu womuba uye den. Wow, let me tell you, Nigerians only 10 billion. Upe mu papa ubenya 100, only 100. So only 10 million. No, 10 million. Upe papa womwa ebi 100 million. Ebi 100, only 100. Only 100, not even million. If there are 10 million Nigerians, if there are 10 million, only 100 people you go get that they are good. Yeah, only 100 people. Only 100 people. You understand? Eti sankrofo we no. We don't joke with them. Shomukuro na ye bola. And yes, so parliament so. Ewo Ghana. No ni CID boss a picture. No ni okuja top block kwagina. No ni way. No yes say. Ghana for. E dey pa na ya mu Nigeria for. Ghana ni man so betu ni nyonko Ghana ni free ni dem no dey man Nigeria ni se betrem. In the name of Nigeria ni. In the name of Sika or the bed dada. We are most of us are totally full. Ye nimu nyansa. Ye wie chire no a ne de so bo no bo president. President die wo ho. Nipa ne ba Ghana no wanko parliament house anko kasa parliamentaries ema ne fie ntinam. Ema ne ba bi nda. Wanko president fie anko da ho. Yanga individual ya yesate social media kasa ne ye de yen dan ema Nigeria for. Young Ghana for yan yesade yen fie ema na because Ghana ni ba wo fie be rent wo dan. Na bi ada no ye 300 Ghana cedi a month. Nigeria ni ba no kase memo 500 Ghana ni brisiketi or be ma Nigeria ni no. Eche odi mi ye de beba. Brother, these people, there is so many ways to kill a cat. Once I'm a tiase, I will still fight for my country. Na se mi wuna me kwa. Me jadimbia to wasa branche bi bre fene malope. Okasama o my Ghana. Okasama o my Ghana. Nyamishra, brother, obi abone dia ho ban. South Africa for no hu kwa mo faso ye demonstration. Omo demonstration mo ye ni jimi mu, no mo ye ni kwasi ase mu. Enya sa, anka meka say they are right because they are protecting their country. But kwa yo mo faso ye mo protest no mo demonstration that Africans must go. It anya the genuine way. That is the reason. If not, anka meka say they are right. How can you sit on your own country? Now, the South Africans are complaining that they are not getting a job. Everybody goes to Ghana. Messi ene. Even Aboso kind stores in Nigeria for Jinina. Oko circle there, brother. Messi aka circle. Iroba kasa in Nigeria. They say broken English in Ghana Kosovo circle. Because all of them are Nigerians. One more ton phone covers. Any one. All of them are Nigerians. Tietina sadio we ekoso. dientina sadie we ekoso brother yerebesi wa ha yame eya tomo yebesan atwa so nwumere 8 bomodi ana hweme kwan malope besan aba nwumere 8 me patro person sponsor me for number no malope ji we photo credit na fa yi program every day because a credit in your day se ka wakoma for number no the 2 numbers what dey fa di kan frɛ na confirm say malope ana say bia on frɛ me mpo a what dey number no momo 34 no momo 44 no so momo 34 no say na dia be ba Isaac Mensa 44 no Elisha to sechi support to program e wati support to program e be abusia. I am not begging for money but just support us. Often, so if you are youth and you wanted to join Malope, please pick a number. Part 20, we can make a demonstration. We can talk. We need to wake up for our country. It is not about insult. So Bakodi the president attempt, so Bakodi minister be attempt. We should put an insult aside. We should let them know our mind. You to know they are your panel and they also your catering penny for. And he said, I am advising every Ghanaian youth say we should stop how I did Ghana from penny for them. No, we should stop that. The insult will never solve the problem. The insult will never solve the problem. We should wake up. We shouldn't talk. We have been on social media talking every day. Nigeria, we have been talking too much. Action must be take place. We need to wake up. Pick the number. I am going to be the leader. We are going to stand against the evil Nigerians. The people who are here making a crime. Even IGP. Please, if you will call me. Now what family you many? Not a police. I don't need me packet here. Family as investigator. Any evil because say opposing be on mini Ghana and to Kotosa Nigeria for be cry be cry e be discover bravo no konifie. We are not going to take bribe. Na ye my country name say. Nobody should take bribe from a foreigner to destroy this country. Maybe I know maybe say you see endrona Nigeria for ne de ba no. What would they find there? But one more yera, one more two, what would they find? And I want to border yen set so you Charlie, you know. Let me say, me tramadol. And now in Rubone Shabeho. Now posting it in my wife's come on. You post for you no more bribe. Now, no, and you post in Ibiana Jabra, post what on mind. What is going to happen? Oh, on Gia Drosanka, who just can Ujia Dronaka, what is kana, or very release Yamano. Sa no the nipani dia babe wuram no the trauma do any nuboni e de maju to na you to na ya be sore da chebi na ya kwama my way no omo the ndroni wiki yen e wiki yen brother come and join my group. Now we are going to take everything serious. We are not going to do nyame adona masum bi ba se kan keten bi dam so mi yimfiri ho wie masum dwe e ba. This is the time. Forget about some of the Ghanaian bloggers who stand on social media talking. Action must take place. Say South Africa, we are not going to beat anybody. No, Ghanaians, no fight. We don't need the evil. Fine. Ghanaians are Ghana for maybe one crop for room. It is all what be about Ukrum and Kenya Boni. Now we are going to stand. They say Chukudi must go because we are attempting. Yenima Juna won't to the next, and there also be in the village. And Yaya and Asa Yedin, what Tenebu not be president. Brother, we need to wake up today. And the IGP Tete Christian Yohono, I salute you. Fame, as a police, you know, and yes, a police in you. I mean, Shatadi, me so I'm in packet here. Teaching me civilians are ever call rounds. Secretly, foreigners who kromo womudi bone womudi because sa foreigner be ba ukromo a it's also a foreign entity or bepe kromeni a one the best starting secret business. China for about Ghana betu chai womudu Ghana no do mani chira manso ana e dey guy excavate anya Ghana for ya na lead wom. We need to wake up. We need to wake up. Say oho be hu krobi omu secreta. Na ye kromeni na di secret na mano na ko ho wo de. You need to wake up, brother. Me de besi wa entu de fa na sponsor e why na me ado anwumere 8 o'clock also mesi aba ncha kesi ankomo bibiara makrao baba
Marote TV, in God we trust.